Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my very first video. I'm so excited to share the room I decorated with you. I recently moved into a new home and wanted to share the room I decorated with you. If you'd like to see more of my videos, feel free to subscribe my channel and I hope you enjoy watching. Have a great time! In this new home, I wanted to design a room in my very own style and I absolutely love aesthetic and Korean inspired rooms, so now I'm designing it according to my taste. Here's how the room looks when it's empty. This is the empty room and let's add some color to it. First, I'm hanging up the curtains. I chose a plain white one. And then I will do an unboxing from big to small. So I will start with this huge bed. I'm unboxing the bed now. I think these kinds of metal and simple beds are really beautiful, plus it's super easy to assemble. I set up the bed frame without any trouble. It only took me 5 minutes or something. It's a great bed. I like it. Next, I'm placing a mattress inside the frame. The mattress came vacuum sealed and opening it is so satisfying. Now, let's take the duvet and pillows out of their packaging and put on the bed linens. I chose pink and yellow bed linens that match the tones of my room. And of course, it's time for my must-have plushies. I want to place some blankets in this corner as well. And I think the bed is ready now. Next, it's time to set up my desk. I got these materials from IKEA. If you'd like to get the same, you can click on the links in the description box. I easily assembled the desk using a cordless drill. This house is really being set up by a single girl. It's risky, but it's going well. The desk is ready. I opted for an L-shaped desk so that I can use it next to my bed. Now it's time to set up my pink organizer. I love its color. I ordered it from Amazon and it arrived really quickly. It even has a rolling legs. I will of course show you all these products one by one after the video. Right now we're in assembly phase. this room wouldn't be complete without a clear chair. Here it is! It's really easy to use, don't worry about falling because that's not gonna happen. Do you also enjoy decorating your room, or am I the only one obsessed with it? Let's see what's next. I want to set up a clothing rack for my clothes. I got this from IKEA as well. I'm setting it up quickly and placing it in the room. I bought an acrylic coffee table for the middle of the room. This table is clear and matches perfectly with my chair, so let's unbox it. This is my most relaxing part, an ASMR style unboxing. I don't want the room to be just pink. There should be pastel tones of every color here. That's why this floor lamp is green and so cute. I'm absolutely in love with it. Let's screw in the bulb. It's ready! I got another lamp for my desk. This one is tulip shaped and it's very aesthetic. I bought it from AliExpress and there is an aesthetic mirror too. Let's lay down a rug. Next up is my bedside table, or you could call it a nightstand. The color is so lovely, but the assembly drove me like crazy. It's time to arrange the accessories. Accessories are the items that bring soul to a room. My accessories are so cute, so I think they will create a very aesthetic room when combined. What do you think? Let's take a look at them one by one. I painted the jewelry holder on this table myself. I chose soft colors for it. A cup, a display plate, and here are my clay brooches. And I made these clay brooches too. Would you like to make them together in a video? I'm excited to create content for you, so please don't hesitate to share your ideas with me in the comments. Now I can start putting away my clothes. These are the clothes I prefer to wear most of the time. Now I will place my school bags under the rack and then the slippers. These are the shoes I wear around the house. I think it turned out really cute, and now I will fill my desk organizer with my stationery supplies. Let's start! On the top shelf are my markers, paints, and tapes. I'm placing the items I use less frequently on the lower shelves. And lastly, I will organize my desk. Organizing this desk will be really fun. Let's begin. And here is the final look of my room. I hope you like it! I'll keep making videos for you, so stay tuned and stay loved!